Get enjoy with your Kurumuha. A be bagana. Was it Daddy? Mr. Mahama, maybe 4 years into the Ampe, oh dear, until maybe 4 years, we are more than 1 Fasania, my papa. Well, back, I control BC. I buy absorbing the fees. Exam fees, what BC and now, many will say, when I go and what Ghana for now, Omuntumen pass it. Well, we have because free education was a side binding here because they say NDC. NDC for catchers a free education, no become. Have you forgotten? I said, look at ya. What he said about free education. First thing he said was review. When he was pressed on the review, he said, I said, Kwame, I did about Kadia. Then you came one, you know, a blue how you see. 2018, and this is a fact. 2018, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Obejina Hosim so direct, can he play? If I have 2 billion, I will not use it for free education. I didn't say this. 2018, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, free education and no quality. It is not quality education. None in the area mobile home. Ghana for here, yeah, mobile. Mama minka say min trem. Now we see a fact. Me be mani for bibi. Mo sha de mam. Obi a sha de mam you. Ya papa Mahama. O making statement be say free education and yeah quality education. And I'm a yo. We shall use their own words to expose them. Minya, is it true, sir? Papa be a president here, your friend of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Is it true? I want to know. Has there been a man who has been on the throne called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama? Yes. Is it true that his father was a minister of the state? Yes. Is it true that they had money to take him to international school, boarding school, all these schools? Yes, they could. But where did he go? He went to free education. You see the difference? Mokai Rawlins. Mokai Yanka say Papa JJ Rawlins. Or say, Omo minima de no intellectuals no. Omo no must say mine. Into about bedding. Mokai universities no. Obe close here. Do you guys remember? History. So 2004 money do money fix the country. Any freedom fighters say Jimmy for Omo do money they are making. Dr. Ren, no, can say history where they don't know. But yeah, no, what we learn, no, we know. JJ Rawlins, over 2 KNUS, the over 2 tuning them. Because I say, one more minimum idea, and 1 year 2 intellectual, they are a threat to society. That was the word he used. Or attack academia for new year, you know. And I started then PWC, provincial workers, provincial workers defense. We said then, or coffee no so buy to come and collapse companies. I then about mattress whisker. I then appear men can we say. I then one will say. I like you know what Malino. I don't know what say Japanian now or breaking omni now down. Fast forward, another NDC president, John Dramani Mahama. Or no call free education and Kruma the enemy. Everybody so president here, you know. Or be ba what here cra or tea table or timber away a sebu kwaman kese or tea a young day gomwa or tea gomwa kumase or tea Cape Coast or tea a chima deso or tea and crackine or say she. Oh, Benya Biakwa, your papa name never say a day and your quality. Mokai Abeku Santana no. Hey, now dear free debate to my papa. I dear free behind you. Maybe a sister, maybe a pia maybe you. Yes, she said, Mamma Fonta, dear. As she says, Papa for key. Eki come when Tadia she momo. And the line name map. Free education for 1 night. Free education for 1 night. Oh, free education for 1 night. Oh, free education. No, moto sankwasi anyu we de kire yen. Now, president now, one who say JM to us, wako free education, you know, and then I don't man be president. No, I catch the Ugan and he said, would you be a top quality? You guys, God will punish you for hating a Kufado. God will never forgive you for doing all these things to Kufado and Baumia. Somebody went to free education and became a president of Ghana. Obey a president, you know, we had oil money to take kids to school. He refused to implement that. When he even decided to do progressively free, our daddy did not pay the school fees. Thanks to Napo, who came to give us the real deal. Go and ask now, no, Pokwajiman. Say progressively free, no. If they were even able to pay 1 CD or 1 Tesla of it. And not by here, Napo no buy and on be try. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Ghana for Obiako free education. I'll be your president. No, I'm not going to free education in Yadapa. Not Ghana, you wouldn't achieve. Rawlins, the Becatria said education is a four and yet. Well, we are not the as an autonomous, any Yasantuanum, any Kiamaninum, Akuko school, Brotire, international big schools. Amanda, as an Altabe, MP, so, and Tebia, the Kimani, flagbearer, NDC. Once and I say, I was starting, because if we get mommy to join the party, projecting Kiamani will be easy. You guys are not deep thinkers. Moon Junin Quetchy. Moon Junin Quetchy. And Kruma free SHS or the buy and Ghana Babunu. Not the Anin Kahu. Not school uniform in Kahu. Not textbooks in Kahu. We about that who did it 3 times a day. We day students who did it once a day. And I'm 1 hot meal a day. Then you sit down for somebody who said, say, 2 million on finding free education. 2018. You see how dishonest this man is. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Mesube Bogana for Pupa. Okay? 2018, young to Abano. What's free education in yet? It's not quality. No 2 million on finding free education. He said it. Don't think I'm lying. Opa Google says, yeah, if I will not use 2 billion to do free education, Mahama, like I said, I'm back publication. What did Kimathi say 2018 say? Free education in the Yao Krana Uba Obed who became. Me part 2020, what did he say about free education? Moi, short memories, no more country. 2020, Edu say Yakotuabano. What did our father Mahama say about free education? Are there any quality? Muntiview. Hey, Mr. Mahama. May the God you serve forgive you. You really ripped